In this lecture, we will examine the power of leadership vision and how to define, communicate, and implement it effectively. A strong leadership vision is a guiding force, providing direction and motivation for both leaders and their teams. Leaders with a clear and compelling vision can inspire action, align teams, and drive progress. However, a vision is only persuasive when it is well-defined and communicated in a way that resonates with others. The challenge is not just in having a vision, but in translating it into reality and ensuring others believe in it too. Objectives of this lecture. In this lecture, you will learn how to define a strong leadership vision that aligns with personal and organizational goals, how to communicate a vision effectively to inspire and engage others, how to implement a vision and turn it into actionable progress. Defining a strong leadership vision. A leadership vision is a clear statement of purpose and direction that outlines what a leader wants to achieve and why. It provides individuals and organizations with a sense of focus, motivation, and alignment. A strong leadership vision should be clear and specific. A vague vision lacks direction. A well-defined vision should be easy to understand. Inspiring. A vision should motivate and energize people, giving them a sense of purpose. Aligned with values, a vision should reflect core beliefs and organizational goals. Achievable but ambitious. A strong vision is challenging yet realistic and attainable. Steps to define your leadership vision. Identify your core values. What principles guide your decisions and actions? Your vision should be rooted in what matters most to you as a leader. Clarify your goals. What do you want to accomplish in your role? How does it align with broader organizational goals? Create a vision statement. Summarize your vision in one concise and memorable sentence. Test your vision. Ask yourself, is it clear and compelling? Does it resonate with others? Does it inspire action? Example of a leadership vision statement. To create a work environment where innovation thrives, employees feel valued, and we set the standard for excellence in our industry. A well-defined vision is a roadmap that keeps leaders and their teams focused on long-term success. Communicating your leadership vision. A vision is only compelling if communicated in a way that resonates with others. If a leader has a great vision but fails to share it clearly, people will not understand, adopt, or act on it. How to communicate a leadership vision effectively. Speak with passion and authenticity. People follow leaders who believe in their words. Enthusiasm is contagious. If you are excited about your vision, others will be too. Use simple and powerful language. Avoid jargon or overly complex explanations. A vision should be easy to remember and repeat. Tell a story. People connect with stories better than abstract ideas. Share a story that illustrates your vision in action. Make it relevant. Connect your vision to the personal goals and motivations of your audience. Answer the question, why should this matter to them? Repeat and reinforce. A vision must be repeated consistently to become embedded in an organization's culture. Leaders should reinforce their vision in meetings, emails, and casual conversations. Example of communicating a vision in action. Instead of saying, "We aim to improve workplace collaboration," say, "Imagine a workplace where every idea is valued, where collaboration leads to breakthrough innovations, and where teamwork fuels our success. That is the environment we are building together." Leaders must inspire belief in their vision by making it relatable, engaging, and emotionally compelling. Implementing and sustaining a leadership vision. Once a vision is defined and communicated, it must be translated into action. A vision without execution is merely an idea. Steps to implement a leadership vision. Set clear goals and milestones. Break the vision into smaller, actionable steps. Define specific goals that will bring the vision to life. Align your team. Ensure everyone understands their role in achieving the vision. Clearly communicate expectations and responsibilities. Lead by example. Leaders must embody their vision in their actions. If the vision emphasizes innovation, the leader should encourage and reward creative thinking. Monitor progress and adjust as needed. Vision execution is a continuous process. Leaders must track progress, provide feedback, and make adjustments when necessary. Celebrate successes along the way. Recognizing achievements, no matter how small, helps keep people motivated and reinforces the vision. Challenges leaders face when implementing a vision. Resistance to change. Some team members may hesitate to embrace a new direction. Overcome this by addressing concerns and explaining the benefits of the vision. Lack of engagement. If people do not feel personally connected to the vision, they will not commit to it. Leaders must continuously reinforce why it matters. Inconsistent follow-through. A vision loses credibility if leaders do not consistently act in alignment with their message. Leaders turn their ideas into lasting impact by following through on commitments and demonstrating the vision in everyday actions.